What are some key items to put in the contract when working with a partner? A clear exit strategy. So there should be a crystal clear exit for both parties. We have a couple of partnerships right now where we did not do that, right? So like we would love to dissolve a few of the partnerships that we have, but we're in this funny spot where they don't want to buy us out and they don't want to be bought out. So we are stuck exactly where we are. So I would plan the exit, and then I would also clearly define the roles and responsibilities so that it's all crystal clear. And similar to any employees, similar to whatever other kind of relationships that you have, I would clearly set out your list of kind of expectations of one another and how the people would like how you want to be talked to and how they would like to be talked to if either party feels like those expectations are not being met, right? Now, that wouldn't necessarily be in the contract. That would just be a personal thing that happens on the side of that. I guess to answer the contract, I think the only really important thing about a contract is how is that partnership going to end when either party decides that they no longer want to be a part of it.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.